The Sony DSR 250p is a professional video camera mainly used for broadcasting and records in both DV-cam and mini-DV formats. It has 3 CCD chips. This is a benefit because it uses 3 colours, so it means the image is clearer and there is a better quality. To switch the camera on, you have to flick the switch on the left-hand side into the on position. You can switch between automatic and manual settings. This can be done for settings such as the focus and white balance. You can manually focus the camera by changing the setting from automatic to manual. You can then turn the ring closest to the lens either way to change the focus. You can manually zoom by turning the middle ring to zoom in and out. You can also zoom by using the zoom rocker switch on the right hand side. The third ring furthest from the lens is used to adjust the iris and changes the aperture. This changes the amount of light and exposure. There are 2 ways to view the image you are recording, and that is by using the black and white viewfinder or the LCD screen. On the LCD screen, you will find the f-stop. The f-stop is the F number located in the bottom left corner. It basically shows you how exposed you are. It helps you tell if you're under or overexposed. The higher the F number, for example F11, the darker the image, because it is less exposed. This is because the iris is not open very much. If the F number is lower, for instance F2, then the iris is open more and allowing more light to get through. This makes it more likely to be overexposed. The white balance button can be found at the front of the camera underneath the lens. To white balance the camera, you have to zoom into a white piece of paper and press this white balance button. You can also switch between preset white balance settings for indoors and outdoors by flicking the preset switch from either A to B. You can adjust the gain to lower the amount of zebra lines that are on the screen. The gain switch can be found on the middle left side of the camera. At the back of the camera you can find the plug for external power, the battery pack and the input for an external microphone. To adjust the audio channels, you use the audio settings found on the left. Once you have all your settings placed, you can start recording by pressing the rubber button found at the front of the camera. You then press it again when you wish to stop recording.